To turn off notification on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to turn off notification on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. Then when Snapchat is opening, as you see, you go here and click on your profile. Then click on settings. Then after settings you will find a lot of options. You go to search for notification. When you found it, you just click, then you will find the first option, enable notification. You will turn off this option by clicking here on this place like that, and that's it guys. So we are in the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question you can write it down in comments, and see you next video.